So this is Margarita. Yes, her name is Margarita, don't laugh. She's a normal high school girl with pretty hair. Well, not exactly at this moment. Okay, so that's better. Like I was saying, she's getting ready for school and she's about to leave in 3, 2, 1, gone. Should we follow her? So meanwhile she walks, I'll tell you a little bit about her life. Let's go back for a year. Damn, that was so hard to handle. As you could see, her life wasn't easy back then. So she decided to hide her true self and blend in. It was working for most of the time, but it was eating her from inside out. She wasn't herself, it was like she was living a life that wasn't hers. Wait, I thought this was going to be a typical cheesy happy ending where everybody accepts her and they live happily ever after. Never mind, you get the picture. I mean, this is how it is in real life. Not everybody is going to accept you. You just have to accept yourself, and that's how you win at life.
Go.
So this is Margarita. Yes, her name is...
Oh shit. What? Okay. Oh shit.
So meanwhile... Oh fuck. So meanwhile... Oh fuck. So meanwhile she... So while... No. Wait, I thought this was going to be a typical cheesy happy ending where everybody is... Oh fuck. Accepts her.